What's up everybody, it's Oh So Dope. I'm back for a quick lash tutorial for you guys. Here I'm just showing you a couple of products that I use when putting on my lashes. I have my BH Cosmetics mascara, my Tarte's Pro palette that I use for my mirror, my lashes of course, my glue and my tweezers. So since my nails are kind of long right now, I usually go ahead and use tweezers in order to apply the glue to my lashes. So you see me here applying the glue to my first lash. Usually by the time I'm done applying it to the second one, the first one is tacky enough for me to go ahead and apply it. You want to make sure that your glue is tacky on your lash because it makes it easier for application and it's not sliding around everywhere and being messy and messing up your eyeshadow. So what I do is I take the mirror and place it under my lash line, and I keep my eyes open and I place my lash in the middle first, and then I anchor down each of the sides. By having the mirror underneath my face, I'm able to see my entire lash line, and therefore I can place the lash directly on top of my lashes. Same thing with my other eye here. You see me going ahead and plopping that down right in the middle, anchoring it down because it is tacky, and then working the corners onto my lid. I hope this isn't too fast or hard to understand, but I promise you guys this is the easiest way probably to put on your lashes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Stay tuned for my next one. Bye.